होता क्या है, if you're a star and screens मिलती हैं उसमें, screens और shows मिलते हैं theater में, so your number of screens and number of shows are decided basis your stardom, your star value, your crowd pulling value.
Yeah.
But here, when you come on an OTT platform, it's the same number of screens you're going to, the same number of shows possible for your film.
मेरे दिमाग में थॉट आया है कि अगर कल को अरेंज मैरिज करनी पड़ेगी तो कैसा होगा. तो मुझे ऐसे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, as Taapsee said, I'm good with mothers, so I think it's kind of I really wouldn't mind tapping into that area.
Marriage itself is a gamble today, okay, and I feel arranged marriage is just a bigger gamble. It's like people who like adventure in life. They like to go to arranged marriages. I love adventure sports. I am not into life adventures, so I'll play a little safe by going through the love marriage route instead of arranged marriage.
My father and mother had an arranged marriage which didn't fly. So then my father fell in love with someone, and then I think that kind of worked. So I think I am in favor of you knowing someone and falling for someone.
Today I have the cast of a film that is possibly going to revolutionize thriller genre in Bollywood again. We always complain that Bollywood में अच्छी thrillers बनती नहीं है, तो wait कर लो और हसीन दिलरुबा के लिए. और हसीन दिलरुबा देखने के बाद शायद आपका perception change हो जाए. Today I have the entire team behind a film like Haseen Dilruba, director Vinil Matthew with his cast, Harshvardhan Rane, Taapsee Pannu and Vikrant Massey joining me for a conversation only on Bollywood Bubble. Welcome guys.
Thank you.
For having us here.
I'll begin with what I said. For the longest time when we were also growing up, and you also must have heard it when you guys were not even in films, कि India में ना horror और thriller अच्छी बनती नहीं है. And in the last few years, when you see a Kahani, when you see an Ugly, when you see a Badla, when you see a film like Haseen Dilruba, and there are many more in that line, The Girl on the Train, people have started opening their, it has changed perception a lot. Do you see that? Did you also feel at one point कि maybe India was not doing the right kind of thrillers and today they are?
यार मेरे को तो सब यही बोलते हैं कि ये thriller बहुत सही करती है. मेरे को तो I don't know, they started resonating me more with thriller genre, which is like, okay, I mean I'll take it as a compliment only. So because I do the kind of thrillers I feel कि I will not be able to guess. So I think that is why it ends up being decently good. So I am very happy with the kind of thrillers I get and I get to do.
What about you, Vinil? Because you made the film and it's been so many years after Hasi To Phasi that you've taken so many years to make a film. I want to know your perception on the whole thing that I just said.
To be honest, what attracted me to this script initially is the love story actually of very twisted characters. I thought that was very unique. Thrillers तो बन चुकी हैं और अच्छी, जैसे आपने mention की काफी अच्छी thrillers भी बन चुकी हैं, but इसमें जो combination है of एक intense love story, जो आजकल लव स्टोरीज भी हम ज्यादा देखते नहीं है, मतलब जो हल्की फुल्की टाइप की बनती हैं अर्बन रोम-कॉम्स, बट इसमें एक बहुत ही देसी इंटेंस पैशनेट लव स्टोरी भी थी जो थ्रिलर की एक बीट पे जा रही थी. तो आई थिंक दैट कॉम्बिनेशन वाज वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग एंड यूनिक फॉर मी टू गेट ऑन टू दिस.
मुझे पता नहीं है, मैं अभी तक उस जगह पे पहुंचा नहीं हूँ कि लोग मुझे कंप्लेन करें. मुझे बस यही कंप्लेन करे तू बेटा काम कर ले. तो अभी ऐसे लोगों से मिला नहीं हूँ जो जॉनर के ऊपर मुझे बोल रहे हैं कि ये नहीं बन रहा है. आई थिंक इट कुड बी अ गुड स्टार्ट. विनिल सर, कंग्रेचुलेशंस. आई थिंक यू आर द पायनियर ऑफ अकॉर्डिंग टू नयन, आई थिंक यू स्टार्टेड दिस whole thing about good trailers finally. So I think it's a compliment to you and Kanika ma'am. Thank you, Nayan. Thank you.
Firstly, thank you. You're really kind. With regards to comedy, I think
Vikrant is like mummy special boy. All the mummies really love him.
मम्मी जी को पीती पैरी पौना, मम्मी जी को पैरी पौना मेरी तरफ से. Please. But with regards to the first part of the question, which is talking about thrillers and horrors, I absolutely second your thought कि हिंदुस्तान में unfortunately with the amount of films we make nearly 1,500 films in 365 days. That's massive. We are the largest so-called film industry in the world, but somehow we fall short. We are not really good at in these two particular genres. We are not. But I think it's slowly and steadily happening. A lot of people are sort of experimenting also because of the advent of digitization with Netflix and a lot of other players coming in. you are at one go catering to say 180, 190 countries at one go. So, your narrative, the quality of stuff that you're putting out for people is or has to be at international quality standards. So I think it's a gradual progress, which is slowly and steadily happening. I'm glad Hasin Dilruba struck a chord with you and your family, and I really hope that it does with most of the people who end up watching the film.
One thing that connects all the three actors that we have in the frame today is that you guys are self-made stars. You started from nothing and you've gained whatever you have gained on your own accord. What makes me say this is today with the digital platforms becoming the biggest go-to modes of entertainment. Harsh, you've had a release, and Vikrant, you also had 2 releases. Like that. You had Broken But Beautiful, which is my favorite again, and you had Gimme Wet Sunny. Taapsee, this is your first, and all 3 of you in your own ways have fought for that space, fought for your own positioning in the industry. Do you feel that the digital platform gives all actors a level playing field, especially outsiders?
I think all actors, regardless of how old are you in the business or where you come from. I think one interesting part about coming on OTT is now, hota kya hai, if you're a star and screens milti hain usme, screens or shows milte hain theater mein. So your number of screens and number of shows are decided basis your stardom, your star value, your crowd pulling value. Yeah. But here, when you come on an OTT platform, it's the same number of screens you're going to, the same number of shows possible for your film. So that way it becomes a level playing ground for all the actors together. Now it's about who gives the best film. That is going to speak. So it's interesting. I like this space. It's obviously where when you aspire to become a star more than just an actor. For you, it's like, how do I measure the stardom here? That measuring meter is not there. But on the other hand, you can at least look at the glass half full, saying, okay, now at least I will not feel sad ke chalo because of certain distribution channels or certain other auxiliary issues. My film couldn't reach so many people, or it couldn't be put on a single screen, or all these things that are out of control of an actor. Those complaints won't be there now. So that's a good way to look at it.
What about you, Vikrant?
Yeah, I completely agree with Taapsee, and I'll take it a little forward from here on. That I have worked in all possible mediums available of entertainment. So whatever little experience I have, so I can definitely say this thing which I said earlier, that the advent of digitization and everything going seamless has given us an opportunity to pull up our socks and compete at an international standard. So today, any corner of the world, any content from any part of the world is accessible to me at the click of a button. And as an actor, it really pushes me to sort of better my game, pull up my socks, and it's a great space to be in, not just for actors. I think for any creative individual, be it writers, be it directors, be it anybody who's associated with the process of filmmaking, everybody has an opportunity today. Is it a level playing field? Comparatively, I think we are still at a very nascent stage right now. We are still sort of figuring it out. But yes, there are far more opportunities today for people to sort of showcase. And I'll end with what Taapsee said. If your quality, you survive. That's the barometer you're going to be judged with today. And I think that's a great space to begin with. I hope it only gets better from here on.
I want to ask you this because in the first half of the film, like I said, we laughed. We laughed when the carrots were being cut and she's saying that आपने भी तो बोला था कि 5 feet 6 feet का है और 5 feet 8 inch से 1 inch ज़्यादा नहीं होगा. And it's funny, that happens, right? I want to know from every one of you, including Vinil, what is your idea of arranged marriage in this generation, especially? Do you even believe in the idea of having an arranged marriage setup? Would you be comfortable with it? Although Vikrant, you are already like तो आपका तो रोका हो गया है, तो वो अलग बात है. But कभी ऐसा सोचा था कि मतलब अरेंज मैरिज के लिए कभी सोचा भी है क्या?
मैंने सोचा है, मतलब ऐसा तो है ही नहीं कि ये थॉट कभी दिमाग में आया नहीं. मतलब मेरे दिमाग में थॉट आया है कि अगर कल को अरेंज मैरिज करनी पड़ेगी तो कैसा होगा. तो मुझे ऐसे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. As Taapsee said, I'm good with mothers. So I think it's kind of I really wouldn't mind tapping into that area. But with regards to arranged marriage, I think there are so many things that are attached to it. Without sort of getting too serious, I think a lot of people unfortunately are not able to find the right partner. एंड हम जानते हैं हम कैसे देश में रहते हैं, कैसी सोसाइटी में रहते हैं, वहां पे बहुत सारे प्रीकंसीव नोशंस मतलब ऑलरेडी होते हैं शादी को लेके. तो आई थिंक टू ईच इज ओन. देयर आर सम पीपल हु really sort of romanticize the idea of arranged marriages. There are some people who romanticize the idea of a love marriage. I think to each his own. There are certain limitations also. There are so many things that you have to factor in when you're talking about arranged marriage.
Marriage itself is a gamble today, okay? And I feel arranged marriage is just a bigger gamble. It's like people who like adventure in life. They like to go to arranged marriages because it's like you never know what's gonna come your way. So people who love adventure should go for arranged marriage. I love adventure sports. I am not into life adventures, so I'll play a little safe by going through the love marriage route instead of arranged marriage. But I think like great people who have succeeded in good arranged marriages, they have like a big adventure streak in them, and their gambling has worked.
Arrange मतलब marriage ही मुझे कुछ समझ नहीं आता ज़्यादा, और arrange तो मुझे कुछ भी समझ नहीं आता. I think my father and mother had an arranged marriage which didn't fly. So then my father fell in love with someone, and then I think that kind of worked. So I think I am in favor of you knowing someone and falling for someone.
That I know. Vinil?
Yeah, I've been now married for over 12 years, so sort of late in life to now evaluate that. But to be honest, there was a time about 12-13 years back, like a typical Indian male, marriage छोड़ो, मुझे तो गर्लफ्रेंड भी नहीं मिल रही थी. तो तब तो लग रहा था कि जैसे भी मैरिज हो जाए बड़ी बात है, अरेंज या डी अरेंज जो भी है, बस मैरिज हो जाए. तो इनफैक्ट मैंने अपने पेरेंट्स से बोला कोई अरेंजमेंट करा कहीं से ढूंढ के दो, मुझे शादी करनी है और कोई लड़की नहीं मिल रही. तो दे वर लाइक तू कितना यूजलेस है कि इसके लिए भी हमारे पास आ रहा है, तू प्लीज कुछ मेहनत कर. और तो टिल आई मेट माय वाइफ एंड पता नहीं क्या एक वन वीक मोमेंट ऑफ वीकनेस सिंपैथी में उसने अग्रीड टू मैरी मी, बट अदरवाइज बड़े बुरे हाल थे. तो तब तक तो मुझे कुछ भी मैरिज चल जाता मेरे लिए तो.
And like I said that when I watched the movie, I actually put a contest to for my friends and my people to guess. I want to know when you were reading the script, okay? Vinil has written it, so he knew. But when you were reading the script, how many of you actually could guess the how done it part?
Vinil has not written. Kanika has written the script.
Yeah, I mean that Vinil knew the script when he came to you, so. How many of you could guess? Did you guess? Vinil, if you have not written, then did you guess?
I couldn't guess.
Okay. Harsh?
No, Nayan, I couldn't guess, and that's why I signed the film, because हम लोग सोचते ना कि नहीं हमें पता है किसने किया होगा. That's what I was also thinking through the narration when Kanika ma'am was narrating it to me. और मुझे बिल्कुल I was absolutely wrong, and that was something which blew my mind, and that's why I signed the film. One of the big reasons is because I couldn't find out.
And that's actually because I was so engaged in the other things that were happening in the film. Be it the humor, be it the relationship that was going on. There were so many other things that were so engaging in the film. That's why my attention was not only in like who done it. I was engaged in other things, so I didn't divert my mind into like overthinking कि किसने किया होगा.
True. Vikrant?
Same here. I could not gauge it until it sort of hit me. तो नहीं कर पाया मैं.
Vinil?
Initial draft had a very different ending. So the ending got written actually very close to Taapsee's narration. जहाँ हमने पूरी second half film की बदल दी, because in fact it came out of one of our casting. मतलब हम लोग जब बात कर रहे थे किसी actor से, and they said कि यार मुझे ये कर दो, उस डिस्कशन में हमारा कुछ और निकला. फिर हमने second half पूरी बदली. तो वो एक्चुअली जो चेंज हुआ जो आपने अभी देखी है वो शायद तापसी के पास आने के 2 महीने पहले हुई थी. तो I mean I was part of that process, so surprise था नहीं, but yeah, I mean initially it was a very different original script was very different ending.
After the movie release, I'm going to message you and ask you what the other ending was, but I loved this ending. I felt it was amazing, and मुझे murder mysteries and thrillers बहुत पसंद है, and I'll tell you that I genuinely love this film. I'm not saying it because you guys are here. I told Taapsee when she signed the film that I have heard it and it's amazing. Moving on, I want to ask that it shows different shades of relationships. The relationship between you and Vikrant, Taapsee and Vikrant, is very different from the relationship that Taapsee has with Harsh. I want to know that in your real life, have you encountered such experiences, or have you had people who encounter such obsessive experiences in life?
What do you think, Nayan?
I only see
You
that
too.
in paper. I've only read it in papers that someone for love did this and for love did that. I think it happens a lot more often in smaller towns than smaller cities because I think hamare paas, we are so diluted with so many other things in our life that we are not going that crazy and obsessive with love, because that's not really the priority of a lot of us who live in cities where we have other things in life to look at. But relatively smaller cities, I feel they still look at love in a very aspirational way, where they can go to whatever extent.
Yeah.
That's why you read more of such stories coming from there, I feel.
Vikrant, have you been obsessed in love ever?
I don't think so. I've reached that degree. मतलब वो obsession के definition तक नहीं है, but I think I am a very sensitive person. I which is actually not a great thing. I'm kind of trying to work, get a little more thick-skinned in life. But I think I have been obsessed till a certain degree, I think, and I've had the other side also feel the same way. But with regard, it's not just the obsession, it's the overall idea of love that makes you unpredictable things. I think all of us have been there, done that. It's only in retrospect that you sit back and think, "Yare, 10 saal pehle maine ye kiya," to ab, you look back and laugh at it. That's how life is. So I've had my fair share of immediate surroundings, maybe experiences rahe. The degree obviously keeps varying, but yeah, if I have to sort of sum it up, I think I have been obsessed somewhere down the line.
Harsh?
नहीं यार, I think I've never reached that stage of obsession. मुझे ऐसा मौका नहीं मिला कभी.
Rubbish. But okay, I will take your word for that. And you guys are doing fantastically well in your careers. And like I said that today, all of you actually. First of all, I'll start with Vinil. Vinil, you've made a film like Hasi To Fasi and now Haseen Dilruba, 2 films that I will, if I have to rate 100 top films of all times in Bollywood, it would be on my list both. And to all the 3 actors, Harsh, Taapsee and Vikrant, I want to tell you that what you have done has given inspiration and hope to a lot of other people who really want to be in a position that you are in. So keep doing it, regardless of anything that people say. There'll be people who will support you because of the determination that you guys put in and motivation that you give to people. So all the best, and I know that this film is going to work really, really well.
Thank you.
Thank you, Nayan.
Thank you.